Welcome back. This time we're going to make a foldable 8-page book for our transformational planning framework. Yours doesn't need to be this big. For today's activity, you need one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. Yours can be white. I just use green because it's my favorite color. And for emphasis, you will need one pair of scissors, and it might be helpful to have a writing utensil, right? You can pause the video while you go and obtain your supplies, and then come back and restart it. So if you remember last time, we talked about the types of folds. So with your 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, you're going to make a hamburger fold. Crease it. Yeah. Then take that hamburger fold and fold it again. Crease it. Okay, so we'll go back and start over just so you can make sure you got it. Take the sheet of paper, fold it in half, hamburger fold, fold it in half again. And then now we do something a little bit tricky, but not so tricky. You see the fold is on the outside, and so you want to take and fold back one flap towards the fold. Okay. Then fold back the other flap towards the fold. See? So it looks like we have a little accordion, right? So you fold it back. First flap towards the fold on one side, and the other flap towards the fold on the other side, right? I'll start over and do it again. You take your paper, make a hamburger fold it in half, fold back one side towards the fold there, fold back the other side towards the fold, and you have kind of a accordion. Now, I want you to take this middle part. Don't bother with the folds right here, but you're going to extra crease the two panels, the fold of the inside panels, okay? And after you take that extra crease, open it up, and you can tell you did a very extra crease there from this piece to this piece right here. This is what we're going to cut inside there, all right? So I take my scissors, I do a little snip there, do a little snip there. Stick my scissors inside. And the smaller your snip, the better. Some people find that they don't even have to make a snip at all, and they're very good with that. My scissors are kind of heavy. So you see the hole like that? Hello. Okay. Now, so let's start back with this. We had it here. We made the hamburger fold, folded it over again, fold it back, fold it back. We opened it up. We snipped inside, all right? And so we have that side. So fold it back down. And then here is the little tricky part. When I used to have my students make books for English class, this was the part that always messed them up. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm taking and I'm folding it the opposite direction. You see the mouth? You see the mouth? There. Take and fold it. So you're actually changing the direction of it. This way you make your this little booklet that you make, this foldable that you make, you end up having a sealed book. And then if you did it right, this needed to be folded again. And your book is already sealed. You don't have to staple it. You don't have to put any paper clips on it or anything. And you have an 8-page book. Now, what's the start of the book? So you fold it over. The first page of the book is the page that has this little flap down. So that's page number 1. Little flap open. That's page 1. Page 2. Page 3. You see? The front is completely sealed, right? Page 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5. Because of what we are doing with this, we're doing this for a transformational planning framework. I want you to try to have the page numbers just like mine. And then 6, 7. This one's open. And then the last page is 8. So here's your transformational planning framework. This was my first one. Well, it wasn't my first attempt, but this was my first one that I actually did in 2015 with Nina. And I still hold on to this one because it has all of my notes in it for what I need to remember for the transformational planning framework. And this is what we will be doing together. And we will start doing this together in our next live chat, which will be on Tuesday. This is my big one that I use. And this is, I do just so that people can see it. And this is probably the one that I'll be using with you as we are working together with this tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you in our session together on Tuesday. And if you need to, you can play this back. Have a day filled with obvious blessings. Goodbye.